I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all.
What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. What we rocking with today? Rear sway bar links on the GTI. So if you saw the last video, you'll see that I did the front sway bar links. Now we're gonna do the rear because those are having some issues as well. So let's go ahead and change those out. This is just a continuation of the previous video. So this is like part 2, if you want to think of it that way, but the rear sway bar links. So now looking at the car, I got the car all jacked up. The wheels are off of the vehicle. And inside of here, you have this rear almost control arm, trailing link arm, but your sway bar, one attachment of the sway bar is going to be right here. So right here is where one of the pieces are going to attach to. From under the car, this is the other piece where it connects into. So we're going to take this bolt loose and that bolt loose. So the first step I'm going to do, because we live in upstate New York, spray it with some PB Blaster because it's got rust and everything working in there. All right, so I took my vice grips, put them on the vehicle. Then I took this Allen wrench onto the bottom of the vice grip just to tighten it up a bit more. Make sure it's holding the right piece. And then took my ratchet up here to loosen it up. So what I'm going to try to do here is actually pull down on the sway bar so that way I can actually pull this sway bar link out of there. I ended up using a long pry bar / crowbar. Here's the piece finally out of there for the rear sway bar links. All right, we got the new one out of the bag. I already took the blue plastic piece off of there. Now for the bottom here, we just got to take this little nut and bolt and actually put it on there. Now remember, if you're ever trying to figure out how these pieces go in here, you can always use your old piece to figure out your new one. So I know that my old one had stud coming out this way, stud coming out this way. So now when I put the new one together, I just need to take this stud or bolt and put it through that way. There we go. So all I did was put the top part in first, and then for the bottom side down here, I just wedged the sway bar down a bit and then slid it into place. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put our nuts on there and tighten it up. All right, gang, so we just finished up the rear sway bar links. I would honestly have to say, as this being part 2, after changing the front sway bar links and now the rear sway bar links, I would have to say with new sway bar links, car handles so much better. I just took it for a quick little spin. Handles so much better. Now it's handling stock suspension wise as far as it was from the factory. So I'm actually a lot happier about the way the car is handling. If yours are worn out, make sure you check out this video. Change out your rear ones, change out your front ones. Quick, easy, inexpensive way to bring your car back up to where it was before. And honestly, it's handling so much better now. I'm so happy. I'm so excited now. It feels good. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button down below. We can't wait to see you in the next video. If you missed the first video with the front sway bar links, go ahead and press it. I'm gonna put it up there. Anyways, we sign out with another one. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know